What's going on, guys? Alex Staviletti here from Detroit Speed, and today we have some pretty exciting news to share with you. We got an engine for this car here, Chris's Daytona project, and this car we've been laying out the groundwork, kind of planning everything out, and this is one of those cars where we're pretty much going to be building the car around the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and share the power plant for Chris's Daytona project. Now, if that right there doesn't give it away, I don't know what else will. So that's right, for this car, we reached out to Mopar and we got a Hellephant. And this one right here, we have the tag. See if that'll focus in. This is number 8. So this engine was released by Mopar at SEMA 2018. It is a 1,000 horsepower, 950 foot-pound torque crate engine directly from Mopar, and it's a limited production. I mean, this is just an amazing engine. You know, like I mentioned, we're building the car around this engine, and it's gonna have 1,000 horsepower, 950 foot-pounds of torque, and it's probably gonna be one of the coolest cars we've built in a long time around here. Now, we built some cool stuff, but a Hellephant in a 70 Daytona that's going to be pretty much fully carbon fiber. We're excited about that, but wanted to share with you guys the Hellephant because they're hard to get. I'm pretty sure all of them are accounted for. You cannot get them anymore, but we got one for Chris's car, and that's pretty exciting. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel, like us all across social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you guys like to check out. And also go on our website and see what we're all about. And we'll have more videos coming soon about the Daytona project. So thank you guys for tuning in. I know it's a real quick one, but we hope you're all staying safe out there. So have a great day.